Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your RAM 1500 oil change indicator. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. This action signals the vehicle's computer to reset the oil life monitor. Finally, turn the ignition off. This simple method should clear the oil change light, getting you back on the road quickly and efficiently. If the pedal method doesn't work, don't worry, there's another way using your dashboard menu. Start by turning your ignition to the on position. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate to the vehicle info section on your display. From there, find and select Oil Life. Once highlighted, press and hold the OK button until the system prompts you to confirm the reset. Confirm, and your oil life should be back to 100%. Resetting your oil change light isn't just about turning off a warning. It's crucial for proper vehicle maintenance. It ensures your RAM 1500 accurately tracks its next service interval, preventing premature wear and tear. Ignoring the light or not resetting it can lead to confusion about when your next oil change is due, potentially impacting your engine's longevity and overall performance. Always reset it after every oil service. Sometimes, the reset might not take on the first try. If your oil change light remains on, double-check that your ignition is in the on position and the engine is off before attempting the pedal method again. Make sure you're pressing the accelerator fully and within the 10-second window. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual or a certified technician. Also, for a truly clean home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Keep your RAM running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.